Fish just rose. Here, a bird. What kind of bird is that? Oh, on the dry right away. That was a dope take, huh? He literally was like so aerial for it. It's a little guy, but that was so freaking cool. I'll show him off. What a cool fish. Wow, that's so fun. Just flew out of the air for the dry, or flew out of the water into the air for the dry. It's like, and I was like, oh, and then it was like, ah. You might recognize this spot. I've been here before. I wanted to come back to the same spot and see. I knew I'd made some mistakes the first time, so I wanted to come back to a familiar spot and see if I could improve on those and see if I could catch fish in areas where I expected it last time, but kind of messed up drifts. Today I have dual goals. I actually want to like kind of capture a little bit more of like the essence of being on the river, you know? These vlogs, these like afternoon vlogs, I kind of just get into this like hurried state and I don't really like soak up the day. I mean, it's hot today. I just kind of like gotta catch fish for the fucking camera. You know, I'm just not waiting long enough on my back cast. Got a little guy. Is that the guy that I missed on the dry? Probably. Let's see if I can get him into the net. Into the air, into the net. He spit the fly. Mini fish. Bye bye, mini fish. I think today I'm gonna just, you know, enjoy my time. There's PMDs everywhere. It's so fucking hot, but the water is like perfect. Oh, cool. It's a nice fish. Guess they are in the slow stuff. Hope that was on camera. I think I might have cast out of frame actually. Whoops. Shit, this might be like proper fish. Unless he's bow hooked. It's been known to be happened. But he's staying upstream and pulling hard. I haven't gotten a glimpse of him yet. It's a nice fish, but it doesn't look like absurdly large. Like I caught bigger ones earlier, I feel like. Well, there you go, prematurely trying to pick their head up again. Hope it's not another whitey. Actually, that's a lie, I don't care. Kind of looks like a whitey. Oh, that's a good brownie. I don't even think he's as big as the ones I caught earlier, but I can't lift his head to save my life. He keeps like dancing around these sticks. That's why I'm doing all these weird things with my rod tip. Into the net. It's a nice fish, man. 18. Man, right in the premaxillary. I don't think he was going anywhere. Shit, that was fun. It's an 18-incher. Hope the shot I got of him turned out. Got him on like, it's kind of like a, I'd almost consider it my pattern, I guess. I don't know how visible that is, but it's like brown microtubing with like fluorescent thread underneath, and I I've been using it this summer as like a March brown. For anyone wondering how strong 6X tippet is, you can see that it dented this tippet ring. I broke my tippet just now, and it happened to break at this spot. It literally bent the metal on the tippet ring. That's crazy. I see some like sticks and stuff that I got a double. I got a double. I don't get that very often. Saka. Oh. Saka. I got two little mini fish at the exact same time. There's two bitches flying down the stream at me right now. Oh, I have a fish on? Oh, I have a fish on. I'm not snagged? No, it's moving. Yeah, that's a head sway. Oh, I have a fish on apparently. And now I'm gonna have these bitches coming at me with a fish on. Shit. I better move. I better move. It's a nice fish. Looks like a nice fish, or I mean it feels like a nice fish, I should say. I haven't seen it yet. Could be foul hooked. That's why it feels so heavy. No, he's not foul hooked. Just feels heavy. Nice fish, man. Wow. Hey. Jeez, right in the premaxillary. Sorry, little guy. Nice. I was literally just about to get in front of the rock and I was like, that's where I'm hoping it's gonna be, the fish.
Wow, 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 wow.
Turns out, I was right. I'd already fished behind that rock, and personally I think those kinds of spots are better in front of the rock anyways. But it feels like a decent fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Only that take was on, or that jump was on camera, but cool. Man, this guy's got some fight in him. Do I have enough water in front of me to land him? Not as big as the other fish, but geez. I'm not gonna complain about the tug he's providing. Cool. Nice fish. Yoo-hoo! Get out here, buddy. Die, mosquito. Die. This has got to be like the mosquito factory over here or something. I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with these vlogs. They're like, I'm constantly in this torn area of like, do I focus on the fishing? Do I focus on the shots? Do I focus on talking about what I'm doing? For me, it's always interesting to see like what people are doing. And so, and it's hard to tell on camera unless they tell you like, oh, this is about 3.5 feet deep and I'm using a 2.3 millimeter bead. And you're like, wow, that's a lot lighter than I use, or, you know, whatever it is. For some reason, it just really bothers me, like the YouTube videos that people who like me that just aren't in a position to be teaching people how to fish, really. Like, teach my friends, sure. But to be a voice on the internet, that's not anything I want to be.